Is your heavy-duty diesel truck blowing black smoke or losing power out of nowhere? You might be dealing with a P2061 code that could cost you a fortune if you ignore it. This diagnostic trouble code is a generic powertrain code that applies to many vehicles from 1996 to the present day, including popular American models from Dodge, Ram, Ford, and even Sprinter vans. When your truck stores a P2061, it means the powertrain control module has detected an excessive voltage in the reductant injection air pump control circuit. Think of the word high as meaning there is a massive electrical bottleneck or a disconnected component in the system. Modern powerful diesel engines in the United States cannot meet strict federal emission standards with just basic filters anymore. That is why engineers created the selective catalytic reduction system, which injects a reductant compound like diesel exhaust fluid and a specific measure of air into the exhaust stream. This happens right in front of the diesel particulate filter and the catalytic converter using a special injection valve. This precisely timed injection raises the temperature of the filter so it can burn off pollutants more efficiently and keep the air cleaner. This whole process is managed by the powertrain control module or a separate controller, which keeps a close eye on oxygen sensors, nitrogen oxide sensors, and exhaust temperatures to know exactly when to spray that fluid. If the voltage in that air pump circuit spikes too high, the computer triggers the check engine light. You should take this very seriously because a P2061 is considered a severe code. If you keep driving, you could permanently damage your expensive catalytic converter. You will probably notice your fuel mileage dropping or see thick black smoke coming from the tailpipe along with sluggish engine performance. Most of the time this is caused by a defective reductant air pressure sensor, a faulty air pump, or shorted wires in the harness. To fix it, you should first check for any external leaks in the lines and use a digital volt-ohm meter to test the circuits against the manufacturer's specifications. You can also use a manual fuel pressure tester to monitor the system pressure. If the pump is leaking internally, it will often trip this code and you will need to replace the entire assembly. If you are not comfortable testing circuit resistance with a meter, you should head to a professional technician immediately before the system shuts down and leaves you stranded on the side of the road. Finding a technical service bulletin for your specific make and model can also save you hours of guessing.